3, 2, 1, go.
We were here today for the first annual Custodial Olympics. It's the first one that we've had here in Albemarle County Public Schools. This was actually a 3-day event, so we have almost 140 custodians in our department. So over the course of 2 days, we had our trials, and today was the top 4 teams from those trials competing for first, second, and third place.
I don't know the exact names of them. There was a spray bottle event where you try to get it in a cup, and there was like a ring toss we used for like scrubbing pads, and then there was a little small pad we tried to get it in a bucket, stuff like that.
Here in Albemarle County, our custodial teams, they're all at 26 different schools, so we really don't get to see each other very often. So we really wanted to take advantage of, spring break to get together and have some team building activities and really get to know each other, in a fun, relaxed way without thinking too much about work.
It's a lot better because now we're all together and we can all talk and basically be a family with each other.
Camaraderie, trying to get everybody together to get on the same page and make sure everybody knows that you can talk to one another, work together, and have different ideas, and that will help everybody in the county to get better at what they do.
A lot of people have fun. Even they enjoy more than me, myself. So we all enjoyed it. But those people who are complaining they didn't show up, they miss it. It's really fun. And I wish we could do this again.
Yeah, we'll do it again next year, and hopefully it'll be even bigger and better.